Why you go and record again? You record on my kissing.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Wang kanin hita tampa nga nito so kan dabi ka chungai mo so araw abing khato bi khop me sering. Hi guys, welcome back to this daddy here and Nana's here.
Hi.
Today we're gonna eat steak. Nana just cook as you see in the photo, I mean in video earlier. Nanti kan lau sem lang huang hai bong samo steak. Joanin asparagus po kan chuma. We boil the asparagus, right? And salsa hay boy na kasi am tomato te chili te mo kakarota ni. So I burned the tomato and the chili, everything, and onion mix. It's from the garden, from our garden. Gan huwa na mini mo kakaro. Ofe kanya tu don't to. Let's get started, mom.
Yes.
Whoops. Ito rice ka either don't ito. I'm gonna eat rice too. Look my hair clear. Look so beautiful. Baby, the salsa is so juicy.
It looks good.
Yeah. But you're not gonna eat? Are you gonna eat? Yeah, but usually you like to taste your food. Own taste, right? Kano to taste it, you eat cottage cheese, right?
Cottage cheese with salsa.
Yeah, it's better, right, Mom?
Yeah. Yeah, Scarlett.
I thought I don't have fork. I'm gonna cut everything before. People use right hand side to cut.
However you feel comfortable, honey.
I just wonder. Yeah, I think that's easier.
I'm right-handed, so.
I'm right-handed too, but I don't know why I use my left side. I want to cut so it's easier for me to use my hand.
Yep.
Wrap my rice. Oh my god. I'm too excited. I'm like, whew. I'm gonna cut that part though.
Food excites her.
Bogsa mo, tuy to pa ni chu kay chu well done ta.
Yeah, you'll get to eat in a minute.
Thanks, Mom, for the
You're welcome.
nice steak.
So good.
Thank you, Tori.
Yeah.
You usually don't like steak. It's got good flavor. Because it's homegrown, not store-bought. Scarlett, stop.
Three cup, man. Very tasty. Asparagus, so with crunchy.
Not soggy.
Nope.
I thought of making video today because everyone asked me
When I cooked it the time before when it was soggy, it was because it was on the grill and I had, you guys were saying your goodbyes or whatever. It just sat too long. But I try not to get it cooked too much. Scarlett, stop.
Scarlett low chập chở chạy về trong nào. Just crying, want to eat.
That salsa's not hot at all.
You do?
Mm.
You want me to put a little bit on this?
Yeah, it's not hot.
Căn mình thạc lâu thì về không nào. Mom say, thạc lâu lúc tục.
Attack a low talk.
Thạc lâu lúc tục means it's not spicy at all. Can I add now? I used it to leave from our garden.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it's hot.
I am burning up.
So
But
ta
I've done
smoking
nothing but
machine
run
wala
in
ka
my
lang.
butt
Smoking.
ever since I got home.
And it's so hot there, right? While you're doing smoking.
Mm-hmm. Plus, it's 110 degrees outside, so
Yeah.
that much worse.
Going to 100 there.
It's 110 with the heat index.
110. Anya mo kan kwa kan weather halum to pa.
And then you're at a 375 degree grill.
Fan only.
Makes it that much worse.
Kanu to ay to. Si ay cottage cheese, right, ma'am?
Yep.
Cottage cheese des salad well kami kamar charot ka etel tamo. Kam to rice ka ini to.
Yeah.
Nagalaw ikip ang to. We'll eat for you. A bite for them. They say we want to see Nana cooking steak.
Yeah.
All done. You took some video of it, didn't you?
Like 1 minute. Just one soya.
It's all right. As long as they see it, that's all they want. Doesn't have to be long.
It's so good. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's really good.
Kanune, kanune chưa xóa la. Lâu chân la kan tu rin lâu tia bong sa himin lâu message sa kay la in shalawin lâu be mea tuite ka lâu cheng vela. I was telling him that I didn't see your text and I went to sleep.
That's all right.
But lucky we end up eating steak. I was waiting.
Yeah, we switched plans, but that's okay. It worked. No one's upset. It's easy to change meat.
Kan mukbang hey so kan evel pa ha ipay kung hindi siya kalau so nga everyone used to ask where's daddy kapag yan
He's eating.
internet table ne huta so ipay yan football ten na ba ka hiray kan chut na hi at nyambi ka pang at siya mai si sel law ni so chut hey law ni so mo so kalau so ah Can Papa is out there pa? Oh my god, this salsa is so good.
I don't think Daddy had any rice. I don't think he knew there was rice.
You didn't tell him?
Uh-uh.
Daddy, you want some rice?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Are you gonna give Scarlett that one?
I'm not going to eat it, but probably, yeah. The cottage cheese is in the fridge, babe.
Oh, you want me to save the fat for Scarlett?
No, I don't want her to have too much fat.
Alright.
Thank you, though.
Oh, you're not saving the one?
I'm going to give her a little bit, like this piece here, and that's about it. Just, yeah. I don't want her to have a lot of fat. I don't want her puking.
Mm.
I'll give her some asparagus and
Scarlett ay turpo hay kanun sa kola.
steak.
Scarlett ay how life mo. Ito masarap siya. This one very good. So. That looks good. What's that?
Asparagus.
Usually, if I eat morning breakfast bread, I was never hungry.
Did you have
For a
bread
long
with
time.
your eggs?
No, I
No.
did not. That's why I should have done it that much. But I should have just had the egg and then maybe eat sweet potato in the afternoon, like that something. Sweet up. Anyway, I'm gonna eat a lot. People ask me, I should put lime juice, but I think this tomato is perfect.
Mm-hmm.
We don't need more sour. Make a soda in var, soda var tea, soda var. White soda. Is soda var.
Hang on.
Like ginger ale.
Yeah.
I'm making your food.
Oh, Nana is making food for Scarlett. Scarlett hi chopang ai kan pingai phak lo mo kai ni chu. Oi ente nan tho khan chaw ve to mo tong tur pon am lo ki po. Ka pum nom lo tu na ha ma sem. Karon sam sham in no request na sto sam. They have been requests for a long time. That's the main reason I make it video.
It's been a while, hasn't it?
They request because of they miss the steak. We like remember my first video was a steak, and it looks so good. Even MS was like it makes him hungry, hungry.
Hangry.
It makes him hungry. My brother go now po hari low jump to kathileve. What was I eat? Remember on Memorial Day I eat big ribs of beef. That makes him like wow, that's a lot. Parang kalo ka tata heron chudo naman. Ito ko kwarto. Ani to tilrer hi pakatete eh to ama sabera kanin steak ka e po da ai zawa tildang ele ni to ingi ka o asparagus ka ile to na i marcha be le ile don ka thiam lo dang hen mission in tila i themi. Top. Thank you. You want some?
No, you take it. Thank you.
Thank you. There's a what?
Hey.
You want some? What do you want? Hey, yeah, tell you Enro. He's eating what?
It's cottage cheese and salsa.
Yeah. Everyone miss you. They're like, we didn't see Lazo a long time, but I thought they just see you Sunday. Right?
Yeah, I think it was Sunday.
Sunday.
It's a good day.
Vasal sa siyan. Ay, may kanyang kumarcharot. At tuile suyang. Ay la. Ay po tangan chun tuyen ka. Tuyen.
Joy Lipton.
I think because I drink too much water, like I pee all the time.
It's good. Flush out the bad.
You sure? How was your day?
It was fast.
My day was what that I was doing live YouTuber YouTube viewers, my viewers, and after that we had like a WhatsApp video call with some of the still wanna stay remain. And then I was doing live with the guy who, remember I told you, the guy who's a good singer,
Yeah.
Joshua. And then it's so funny, any song I request he sing, and then we had so much fun. Like he asked me like if I can sing with him, and like I whisper like literally because I don't know how to sing, you know.
That sounds fun. So that sounds fun.
Yeah, that was fun. And I was telling him, I'm sorry I'm not single, but if any single lady out here, please catch him, like that. We were joking, and then we were talking about like my husband know you, like I was joking with you all the time, like that. I was saying like he know like I love your singing, and also he don't have problem me talking with you, like doing live in public, not like personally calling and all. So what do you think about that? Like, do you have any like jealousy or like?
No, I don't have any jealousy.
That's a problem, right? You never get jealous. So what do you believe about jealousy? Like for people, it would be nice to hear, you know.
Yeah, no, I feel if you feel the need to be jealous of your partner, they may not be the one for you.
What's that mean?
It means you gotta cure the jealousy in your heart before you bind yourself to somebody else.
Like before we make a relationship, if you don't trust the person, so that's when jealousy start, right?
Yeah.
I get it. Kampayan in jealous. In thick veil he nga tama tilawa chen chu ani chu you always believe like me thick chuan in law ibulak mi dang du ni lai bulak om law ati chin chu used to say to me like if I get if I don't love you, why will I be with you, right? That's what you believe, right? So kampayan in nga zone veil chung chang shima cho in trust, you believe in trusting each other, right? Like in rin talk na, very important. So and then second one, what is important in relationship, and second na point mo
After trust.
Yeah, what is the most important on relationship? The first, number one.
Dedication.
What will I translate dedication in Mizo? In pek na, like when you give for yourself to each other. Is that a whole dedication?
Yeah, without fail. So nothing will break.
In pumpek na, so number two.
Trust.
In rin talk na. Number three.
Understanding.
In shat tiam na. Any number four?
Boom boom.
He said boom boom.
Number four.
Let's not take it as a fun though, like serious. I mean, I was telling them to be
Connected.
honestly, yeah, connected.
Be connected.
Yeah.
Be one. Become one.
Mi pa na kalaw man do no pati itang ha kan relationship kalaw chatel bo dong hapoy mo vel to mas number 1 at lo. It's important but it's not number 1.
Right.
So that's why you put in number 4, right?
Yeah.
So boom 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 boom. You're so
Become
funny.
one.
You know, mi pare mi cha kan law man kanin pakhat kan law ni a hapoy mo lo to ka tibo kanin sumo kan pahit yang hingon soy puiso so ko do. I wanted to do like every time we make a video, maybe end of the day we should put something like that, because many people couple watching us, maybe it will teach them a lesson, you know, and they maybe help that.
If you like it, I like it.
Yeah, if you like it, in law do ni chuan in law ngai na chuan kami kan ron soy ang khamo comment sa ham law shil ula chuan in law kan ron ti bel zelang. If they like them and make comments about this talking, maybe we can continue and make something better, like and help others couples, you know.
I like it.
right? In law du zong ni chong comment sign lo comment sanga thil dang te po relationship big kan la soizel do ni kay mani experience sa trang te kanon ti belzel ang mo tu na ta chon small tips ang may nin ta kaka inge dante comment sa amin law sure wo. I was telling them that if you like it, comment it and let us know. This will be like just a small tip, but we may continue and do better and help others couples, you know. So okay, we want to say bye for today. We'll see you next time, okay?
Bye.
Bye bye.